Wish you a very healthy good morning everyone. My name is Viraj Rana and I am here to show you a presentation on the company Oyo Rooms. So here I to start. So I will be explaining about you all these things, that first the hospitality business in India, and the second the Oyo overview, the company's overview, and the third the communication strategy in India of the Oyo Rooms, and fourth the competitors of Oyo, the companies facing the competitors in his business, and fifth the challenges the company is facing, and sixth the recommendations the company is having for the business. So here is the introduction to the CEO, Mr. Ritesh Agarwal. He is an Indian entrepreneur, founder and CEO of Oyo Rooms, the fastest growing branded network of hotels and offline. He started the entrepreneurship in the age of 17, and now he is also known as the youngest CEOs in India. So here how Oyo recognized as Oyo Rooms. First, the CEO started a company naming Oracle Stays. The company used to plan stays for the customers who are traveling to another parts of the world and the country. So they just used to book a room for them with a breakfast and a meal, and it was that something doing as a travel agent for booking something. And in simple, and soon Mr. Ritesh Agarwal, CEO, recognized that this would not be enough for the customers and the people who want to travel. It will not make them easier. So he just changed his company from Oracle Stays to Oyo Rooms. He made the company to a room availability company. As I show you an overview of the app, when you open the Oyo app, it's also available on the Play Store. So you get this kind of overview of the app. Oyo Rooms mobile app, as I told you, it's available on Play Store. So it has 1,60,000 times and downloaded, and more than 20,000 rooms have been booked till now. And the app ranks top third in the Play Store in hospitality business. And if we talk about the hospitality business in India, it was the traveling, tourism, food and beverages, and it also accommodation. And if we talk about the share of hospitality business, so it's 1.8 billion evaluation by 2016 for hotel industry, and 60% booking through travel agents, and 50% average Indian families make at least one trip per year. So and 18% CGR of hotel industry. Here's the hospitality business in India.